Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
And my name is Mithlesh Jha. I welcome you all to Inner Circle. I am a logistic management expert, ex Tata Steel Group company employee with 22 years of experience in logistics, 12 years in job and 10 years in our own business. I have started my own business in 2011 in the name of Total Freight Solution Private Limited, then Techies India, and then started my small restaurant, Purva Restaurant, and after that, this year we have started our own dry cleaning company. So to start with, Mr. Rajesh ji, who is into software domain, please introduce yourself and your team also.
Yeah. So good morning, everyone. I'm Rajesh Pandit, founder director of Amicus Infotech Private Limited. It's an IT company, so which is into mobile and web application development. So I'll come to that later. I'll just first introduce the team which is working behind the inner circle. Uh, so we just divided the entire work into a lot of people who have taken up the responsibility of managing the entire show. So when it comes to the statics, it is Subrata ji. So he ensures that the group has all the updated statics about their performance. So we have so there's a presentation so which all of you will be giving. So for that, Virendra ji helps members with the crisp presentation. He sets the format, helps members to achieve presentation goals in stipulated time. And so there's also a system to rate members on a weekly basis. And we have one responsibility about the industry relationship. So we have just entrusted it to Atulji, Satyaji, Shripadji, and Harjinder Chimaji. So their responsibility is to set relationship with the industry bodies, ensure their participation into this inner circle regularly. And when it comes to the internal relationship, so we have Ahuja ji and Yogesh ji. So they ensure that face-to-face meetings happen, referrals get passed and are reported. And then we have a very beautiful session which is called as a create session. Soroji takes care of that. He ensures a good creative session every week, ensures that the members send their presentation to them well before time, and guides them to make that compatible to the session format. So so we have a system of assigning buddies also, and we ensure weekly updates of every session. And as far as the guest relationship is concerned, so we have Amit ji, Atul ji, and Virendra ji will be taking up with the guests. Then we have an attendance coordination. Rekha ji takes up that responsibility. She ensures that we have a maximum participation of members in our Friday meetings, sending reminders, and if needed, she speaks to the absent members and encourages them to participate. So we also have an education and innovation slot. So we have Harjinder Chimaji and GP Singh ji taking up the responsibility. They ensure that a group gets a quality presentation every week. They guide members to make exciting presentations, ensure that the members send their presentation to them well before time before presenting it. Then we have one lifetime experience. Ravinder ji and Shripad ji so take responsibility for that. So as we know, there are moments in everybody's life. So which are the game changers? So creating a session from members' experience and helping others with this valuable experience. So that's all about my team.
Yeah, before introduction, I wanted Mr. Atul Puri to advise us why purpose of inner circle, why he has created inner circle, and the purpose behind this. Atul
All
ji.
right. Thank you. So thank you, Mithleshji, for this wildcard entry. Uh, I'm of the belief that if you look at the larger enterprises, the Tata, Birla, Ambani, Adani of the industry, they've got enough money and clout and resources to do whatsoever they want. Whenever they are faced with a challenge in business, they hire organizations like a KPMG, PwC, McKinsey, or Deloitte, who would come and consult them on various aspects, and that is how they would go beyond their business challenges. When it comes to small businesses, one is those kind of resources are not there. Second is, as entrepreneurs, we are stuck in the daily rigmarole. So just managing the operations. So we don't have that kind of a window where we can either uh, look at how to go beyond the challenges. So I thought inner circle of creating a kind of an ecosystem wherein small businesses could come together and deliberate on their challenges. And this is where the inner circle started. So the purpose is that you come, you look at your own challenges, and then look at opportunities of going beyond your challenges. So that is where the create session, which is the heart of the inner circle, that was born, and we'll see that also in some time. Thank you, Mithilesh.
So
Thank you,
now
Abhijit.
a round of introduction of the member. As a member, you will take 60 seconds to share who you are and what you do. One success from your business, one challenge you are facing in your business, one offer for others, and your ask from others. So we need your introduction in these 5 points. After this visitors introduction, they have to advise us who you are, what you do, and what you can offer to others. So let's we start the introduction with Mr. Subrat Chatterjee first.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Subrat, yeah.
Yeah, myself, Mr. Subrat Chatterjee, and I'm a co-founder of ONDG Communications. And basically, our service is in digital marketing and designing also, design and branding. So recently, we are transfer our business in digital marketing to digital conversion. So now actually we are offer 360-degree solution, like all kind of branding to marketing in print platform, yeah, digital platform, all kind of things, like all kind of my marketing collaterals like PowerPoint designs and graphic designs, logo, and all kind of jobs. And the next thing is the biggest challenges that I face in my already in my field already. There are a lot of competitor in the market, and also the main thing is that client understanding. So we work on it. Atul sir also helped us and take a session of that, like how to handle the clients and how to educated client about branding. Maximum clients are not understand what is the branding. They are thinking that a branding means just as a one type of canvas logo or something. Though, and so recently we are just a start a group that this is called digital marketing educations, and there we are give a training, free training for all already entrepreneurs and startup members. And recently I achieved already um, uh, mainly achieve is regular also clients are coming is very good for me, and thank you, sir.
Thanks, Subratji. Amit Chawlaji, good morning, and please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm Amit Chawla. I'm a business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate experience in the software industry. I'm also a Josh Talk speaker and author of the bestseller book, The Clarity First. And what I do for a living is I coach entrepreneurs and business owners of tech companies in structuring their thoughts and actions when they are at the stage of transitioning to the next level of growth. And from a gift from my side for the week would be Dinesh Verma. He's CEO of Pen Down Press, a book publishing company, and he's the publisher of my book also. And he's going to publish my father's book also in next 1 or 2 months. And my ask would be entrepreneurs and business owners of software and tech companies with 50 plus employees. Last week I had 2 wonderful one-to-ones, one with Satya Gupta ji, and second with R.K. Mishra ji while he was vacationing in Palampur. So, and I could understand their business model, how they operate. And I think I need one or two more sessions with them to get a full grasp of it. And we are trying to figure out possible ways to connect and support each other. Thank you once again, Amit Chawla, your business clarity coach. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit ji. Rekha ji, please introduce yourself. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, team. So myself, Rekha Agashe. I have more than 2 decades of industry experience in project management and business expansion. My company, High Sales Consulting, is into sales training, coaching, consulting. We have a sales academy, as well as we are coming up with a High Sales Master Conference, and we can offer to all the team members, whoever have problems in sales or selling or any issues they are facing in scale up, we can offer 1:1. We can offer you our services, and which we have been doing very regularly. And our all digital marketing is handled by Subrata, so as a part of the team. And for the High Sales Master Conference, we are very privileged to have Atulji and Virendraji associating with us for this very first edition. And we will be collaborating with other members also to help them grow their brand and visibility. So I'll be talking with them now. You must have seen the posters on the eGrowth app that we are coming ahead with the conference. So that is our ask is that to support with the conference, and we will be talking to you also this week. And that is all from my end. So anything you need 1:1, you can always approach me, and we are there to help you as a team. And we want to grow eGrowth as a platform together. Thank you. That has been our mission.
Thank you, Rekha ji. Thank you. Arvind Mishra, sir. Good morning. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning, everybody. I am R.K. Mishra, ex-DOT and senior position. I retired from there. 37 years of experience in government. Thereafter, I am in consulting field. At present, I am operating in telecommunication domain with licensing, regulatory compliances, and auditing of telecom businesses. Presently, our office is located in World Trade Center, New Delhi. Our ask is that anybody needing any assistance or their associates in telecommunication domain, I'm there to assist. Our logo itself is managing government affairs as service. So anyone who has got any need where I can assist them in any of the Government of India projects or Government of India issues, which is lying pending, we can assist them to just hand-holding. As Amit ji has mentioned, I had nice time, and at present I am on holidays at Palampur. Of course, every day is holiday for me, but at present I'm in Palampur, in Himachal. Yes, rather Atulji's hometown, I'm just vacating. Vacation. Atulji may remember the area, this area. I had Dharamshala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And Mr. Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar ji is practicing Saturday content. Manish ji, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, good morning, team.
Good morning.
Myself, Manish. By profession, I'm chartered accountant, and I'm providing the business and tax consultancy. I'm based in Delhi. So we are providing the GST, income tax, and service tax consultancy to everyone. My give is Rahul Chaurasia, Northhead Sales in Bajaj Alliance. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manish ji. Yes, Aji, please introduce yourself. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Mithilesh ji. So, good morning, everyone. I am also a CA by profession. I am based out of Noida, but I have an office in Delhi and Bombay also. And I've been into practice now for about 25 years. I will also be presenting the Create session later in the program. And I hope to, make my issues open for analysis. And as far as the GAVE is concerned, I am open to assist any one of you who needs any kind of assistance on a pro bono basis. And my ask is, let's wait for the create session. You will know.
Sure, sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Yogesh ji, good morning, and please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. So my name is Yogesh Wadhwani, and I represent my company Shwill Medicom Private Limited. We started 10 years back, and we are into the business of preventing and controlling infections that happen in closed spaces. So what we provide is we provide services to prevent these infections from spreading, whether it is in hospitals, schools, offices, anywhere. And we provide the trainings to the people as well as the awareness sessions. We do certifications and surveillances in all these places. We also provide the products. We also provide all the products to reduce the infections. Products like the masks, the PP kits, disinfectants, and all those things. So we are our main give is I can connect you to Phoenix Hospital, and ask is to be connected to any medium-sized hospital in your area. And I had a meeting with Subrato, and I think we'll be joining together to do the work. So that is what.
Thank you. Thank you, Yogesh ji.
Thank you.
Bijay Sahaji, good morning, and please introduce yourself, sir.
Yeah, good morning. सर जी, पुराने लोगों ने कहा है जो देते हैं वो लेते हैं। मैं कुछ 45 से इंश्योरेंस के बिजनेस में हूँ, लेकिन जैसे अतुल ने लॉकडाउन के बाद में सबका फ्यूचर अनलॉक कर दिया, तो मैंने वेलबींग फॉरएवर चालू किया इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई में। तो वी आर द मास्टर इन द फील्ड ऑफ ब्रोकिंग सिंस लास्ट 45 एज अ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, जनरल इंश्योरेंस एंड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकर. We provide the customized solution. Especially the Wellbeing Forever, we started something new, which is a blue ocean technology, sister technology. It is called Tathastu. जो हम सबको जो मालूम है ना, खुलजा सिमसिम या अलाउद्दीन का जादुई चिराग, ये साउंड वाइब्रेशन पे scientifically based है, based on the bioenergetics and quantum physics systems. So these are the 48 infinity mantras. When you listen or recite, it works with the electromagnetic frequency and everything gets open to you. कल जी राजेश जी का भी फोन आया था, लेकिन सिंस माय प्रोडक्ट इज अंडर डेवलपमेंट स्टेज, इसलिए मैंने आज प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं रखा है कि डेफिनेटली विद इन अ फोर्टनाइट विल ब्रीफ यू एवरीबडी. आई एम थैंक यू सुब्रत चटर्जी आल्सो फॉर टेकिंग अप मी, and I'm assigning a responsibility of digital marketing and everything to him. Thanks to all, one and all. Thank you very much. Gratitude to Atul and all.
Thank
for
you,
being in my life.
Thank you, Bijay ji. Now, visitors, Akshat ji, please introduce yourself. What you are doing, what your company is doing, and what you can offer to others.
The team for giving us here. I am Akshat. I am the senior sales development manager for CloudQ Technologies. So there are two. So in terms of what we can offer, I think Niranjan will cover what we can offer in terms of compliance. We are in the business of automation, primarily field sales automation or Salesforce automation, as it is called. So we automate order taking, attendance of field sales executives for small and medium businesses as well as large enterprises. We also have solutions to automate distributor operations and retail order management. In terms of our ask, we would like to get connected to small and medium business owners who have a field sales team. Right. And in terms of what we can offer, I think Niranjan would like to cover that bit.
Ganesh Kamble ji, thank you. Thank you, Akshat ji. Ganesh ji.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ganesh. Thank you to inviting us to this forum. And this is what I'm actually visiting a networking forum like this, which is very interesting in terms of its purpose and overall arrangement. So I'm colleague with Niranjan and Akshat. The company name is CloudQ. I take care of sales there. And in terms of we would like to get connected with small and medium businesses who has field force or field team and which operates in the distributor led business. Yeah, thank you.
Niranjan ji, please introduce yourself, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Jahasab. Thanks, Atul, for inviting me to this meeting. To be honest, we are from Pune. The company is located in Pune. We are with various products and services. I am taking care of GRC is the product name. That is governance risk compliances. We can offer if anyone is a startup in this group and looking for as a want to work as a dealer, we can appoint that as a dealer all over India. That opportunity is available from our company. First part. Second, if anyone we can pass on some incentives, discounts to your referrals. If we get specific referral from this group, then Atul, I think we are talking about conference. Let us know how we can give me the agenda. We'll try to see that if we can become an associate in this conference. So it will be useful for you and this e-growth forum. Second, what is GRC? I have written some notes. So I just, Jahasab, do you have time for me?
No. You have to introduce in 1 minute only. So
okay, fine.
1 minute. Yeah. So, but one-to-one, you can talk with each and everyone from out of us. Indrajit ji, please introduce yourself, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Once again, I am Indrajit Prajapati and co-founder and digital head of ONDG Communications. And I have around 8+ years of experience into overall digital marketing like SEO and all the paid marketing stuff like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Right now, me and Subarto is starting a company with the name of ONDG Communications, and right now we are helping small and medium businesses to grow digitally. That's it. Thank you.
Subramaniam sir, good morning. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am S.V. Subramaniam. My short name is SVS. I have 49 years of experience in manufacturing, training, and development. I started my career in 1971, 7 years in PA Cycles, another 7 years in Ashok Leyland, 18 years in Hawkins Cookers Limited, 1.5 years in Kanchan International, another 2 years in Gujarat Citco Clutch Limited, and 10 years as Vice President Total Quality Management for Supreme Group. As Vice President PTM, I was handling 15 plants.
Subramaniam sir, I will advise you to introduce your business now. So what others can offer you?
Yes. I am in training and development. I have my company called SVS Training Academy. I am located in Thane. I am here to offer training and development services, consulting services to anyone who is interested in actually learning by doing. I believe in learning by doing, so I can conduct workshops. Actually, my methodology is to go to the Gemba, to the shop floor, and handhold people to make them grow, to understand the systems, and to cultivate a good culture towards operational excellence. So anyone who is interested to inculcate good systems in the company and create a good culture in the company to grow towards operational excellence are welcome to join me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Subramaniam sir. English sir. Good morning. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning, Ji. Good morning, everyone. My name is Virendra Ingle. I'm a business coach, retail franchisee coach, and sales and distribution consultant. Before entering into business, I was working for Tata Teleservices and Sony Pictures, like corporates for 20 years. My mission is to help solopreneurs, SMEs, and MSMEs to create a next level leaders and autopilot their business by one-to-one business coaching. Currently, I'm running 4 operations. One is Velocity Accelerator, which is into business coaching. Second is into pharmaceutical retail chain, which is Medico Point, and Biz MIS Tally on mobile app. Currently, I am offering 50% discount on Tally on mobile app to all my eGrowth members. And I'm looking for connect with SMEs, MSME, and the users of Tally Pan India. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you, Birem ji. Rajesh ji, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Mitesh ji. So I'm Rajesh Pandit, founder director of Indicus Infotech Private Limited. So we are into mobile and web application development. So we have users in around 136 countries all over the world. So we just provide solutions like reward management programs, as Salesforce automation, as Akshat also said it. And then so we have a lot of other products to offer. So we also offer customized solutions. So in India, so we are preferred partners of KPMG. So where so most of their energy related applications are developed by us. So we had recently developed first time in India an energy forecasting application, so which was put to use in Telangana by the Telangana government. And when it comes to gives, so I can just introduce, members of some beverage industry, particularly with the alcoholic business category to you. And that is also my ask, because so our one of the product is being used by them, and I just want to expand it also. Yeah, so that was about me. Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh ji. Atul Puri sir, please advise.
Good morning,
about
everybody.
your
My name is
journey
Atul
and
Puri, and I am somebody who's into empowering and enabling small businesses. I do this through multiple initiatives. One of the initiatives is I work on the leverage model, which helps businesses to leverage all the possible resources that they have. This is in a coaching format. I also founded a platform to bring small businesses together. This is called eGrowth. Inner Circle is one piece of the larger platform, which is eGrowth. All right. Other than that, I also work with businesses for India entry or market entry strategies. Being a marketing and development person, that is something what I have been able to do on the personal front. So I can personally work on these areas. I come with an experience of around 25 years in multiple industries and would be glad to support anybody. So yeah, this week spoke to Subrato and Indrajit a number of times. In fact, Subramaniam Sahab, thank you for coming in. So he is also, I would say, a chance discovery of over the last 1 week. And this one, Niranjan. So thank you for coming in and also bringing your colleagues. So my request to everybody would be, if you can also keep on talking to your friends and folks and invite more people, only then the community would grow. All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Atul ji. And I'm Mithilesh Jha. I'm into logistics field, and my office is in Nehru Place. My office is in Singapore, and a warehouse is in Guangzhou, China. I'm into logistics field since 1998, and we handled 10 kg of your cargo to 10,000 metric ton of break bulk cargo. Either import shipments or export shipment. We handle air shipment and sea shipment both. We have our own packing company, CHA company, so you can get one window solution of logistics from one company, Techies India Private Limited. Techies India Private Limited is established in 2010. And this week I have my discussion with Amit ji. He is not here today, and I can offer you connection with Multitex Filtration. SK Raj, he is GM in Multitex Filtration, is oil and gas company. Anyone who wanted any connection in oil and gas company Multitex, I can introduce you to Multitex. So thanks to all. With this, we have to start our create session today's create session will be conducted by GS Ahuja ji, Rajesh ji. आप क्रिएट सेशन का वो को-होस्ट बना
मैंने उनको
तब तक जो है अतुल पुरी जी क्रिएट सेशन के बारे में बताएंगे, क्रिएट सेशन क्या है और क्यों हम क्रिएट सेशन जो है ना, व्हाई इज क्रिएट सेशन.
Yeah, Ahuja ji, मैंने आपको कोर्स बनाया. You can just start and meantime, Atul ji.
Okay. So good morning, everyone. I don't have a formal presentation or any document to share. I'll just talk extempore.
ठीक है, तो एक बार 1 मिनट आहुजा जी, उसके पहले जो ना अतुल जी क्रिएट सेशन के बारे में बता दें.
Okay, so as I shared, the purpose of Inner Circle is to empower and enable businesses. One of the things that we generally don't get an opportunity to really work on is how to go beyond our challenges. So that is why the Create session is created. Create is an acronym for challenge, resolution, empathy, analysis, trust, empower, and enable. So this is what CREATE stands for. All right. My invitation to all of you is to listen to Ahuja ji from Create. Listen to the challenges that he's facing. Think of the resolutions, what you can offer to him. Empower him. Analyze the challenges that he's talking about and be empathetic towards him. All right. And definitely trust in his ability and trust in your own ability to be able to guide him on to certain things. And believe me, whatsoever challenge Ahuja ji is talking about, that is a challenge which you would also be facing in your own business, maybe to 100% or maybe 200% or maybe 50%. But definitely you'll be facing that. So this is Create session for you. Ahuja ji, all yours.
Thank you. And before Ahuja ji starts, let me just tell you something about it. So, it was an last minute request to Ahuja ji because so that a person who asked to present the Create session so this week, there was some urgent work or so there was some kind of an emergency, he couldn't join us. So I had to request JS Ahuja ji. So it was because of that. So he has not come up with a formal presentation because I gave him only a couple of hours of this. Yes, thank you JS Ahuja ji again for taking it up for us. Yes.
No need.
I'll also request everyone who's here to switch on their videos. So we need full attention for this session. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, JS Ahuja ji.
Okay, ji. So as I mentioned a little while ago, I'm an accountant by profession. I have been associate, started my practice about in 1990. Probably 4 or 5. I was working first time couple of years and then I started practice. I got associated with I can share names, no problem, with a group called the Network 18, the CNBC group. At that time, they were very small. They were operating out of a garage right here in Noida. And then they moved to Delhi and they grew and then they grew and then they kept growing and growing and growing. So with them, I was also growing. The result was that because their work was so, what is the right word to use? I mean, बहुत बढ़ गया था, and there was a lot of angles to that work. So out of they had about 80 odd companies in the group, about 40, 45, in which I was involved on various capacities: auditor, tax auditor, GS, service tax advisor. I mean, so there were a lot of things. With the result, the initial clients which I made, the chota walas, I mean, when I could not service them, the chota walas. And since I got so much involved in the group, at one time I had 24 people with me. And I mean, it went up very well. Then suddenly came along, I mean, the company Network 18, it was growing too fast at a very high pace. And the promoter kept borrowing money from here, there. And at one point of time, the revenues I mean, the cash flows came to a halt. Not a halt rather, but slowed down. With the result that all the businesses they were into movies, TV, e-commerce, and many other, all of them need cash burn, you know. So at that point of time, it was probably around 2009 or probably was it 2011, 12, something. I mean, the venture capitalists had held their hands. So they were not giving more money, with the result that the promoter couldn't arrange money. And so he borrowed from the big boss, Mr. Ambani. And about 2-3 years ago, I mean, and the money borrowed was on certain terms, which again I'm not privy to talk. But Mr. Ambani decided to recall the money, and the promoter didn't have the money, so he sold the entire group lock, stock, barrel to Mr. Ambani. So that leaves poor GS Ahuja in the lurch, because chota clients ko chhod diya humne. I mean, since we could not service them, and the big ones withdrawn. So part of the group I'm still servicing on a very, very, very small level from what it was. It is, what my service levels were, ab to kuch bhi nahi hai. So that brings me to the position I am in. I mean, due to the Network Eating Association, there was a lot of business in a lot of offices of there. A lot of businesses were centered in Bombay. That's how my Bombay office also was established. So now coming back, cut to today. I am unable to get into big clients because at that time I grew with that chota client. I mean, Network 18 that time was a very small entity. It was just 3 people operating out of a garage, on rented computers. Tab computer bhi nahi hote the. I mean, that's how they started. And so I'm not able to get into big clients. Why? Because there is no branding. I'm apni branding in the sense me and my partner Yatin Desai in Bombay, we are a small setup. I mean, we don't have those big names. And also in the meantime, what has happened is the services which a CA is so to say required now. At one time, I mean, a CA could offer everything, but now everything has become so complicated. Then you can't do everything. I mean, you can't do GST also, you can't do company law also, you can't do insolvency work. You know, everything needs specialization. With the result, I mean, we were general service providers. We have not specialized in any particular aspect, which is what is a hitch, I believe. That's what I believe, to get into larger clients. And chota clients, somehow my mindset has changed because I can't handle chota clients. Because chota clients, I mean, they'll give you 500, 5,000, 10,000 rupees on an annual basis. But the work the services they expect are, I mean, it's too much. I mean, that kind of service, if I give it to a corporate, I will charge much, much more. So that is one challenge which I'm facing. Second is, since ours is a professional kind of setup, everybody expects that GS Ahuja will respond to every query or every concern of theirs. So if Mr. Rajesh Pandit is a client, Rajesh, he will not call my juniors. He will call me. कि यार Ahuja उसका क्या हुआ ये तो बताओ हम फंसे हैं इसमें. So the point is, I am forced to look into every kind of aspect. With the result, I am unable to delegate my work. If I am unable to delegate my work, I can't focus on marketing or on expansion. So that is the second aspect. Third aspect is personally my own mindset issue, because if मेरे पास कोई issue आ जाए which creates which is a ticklish issue or which needs a lot of thought, I suddenly withdraw into my shell because I am mentally solving that problem. With the result that I stopped responding to people because I am in that mindset कि यार इस चीज को पहले sort out करना है. So I hope, am I confusing you when I say this or?
No. So that's
so exactly create session इसी के लिए है.
So basically मेरे ये 3 issues हैं. One is the mindset issue. I mean, so to say, oh no, okay, let me put it in different words. How to get into big clients. Big means I don't expect to get back into listed space, because that requires a total different kind of service level, or what is the right word to use, resource level, which at the moment I am not having. So getting into mid companies, and at the same time how to get into chota walas. If the chota walas is the bread part, right? The butter comes from the big ones or the relatively big ones. So that is one. Second is unable to delegate. Why? Because we are a customer facing business and they know GS Ahuja, GS Ahuja, the business. So even if I have 2 people with 3 people, 4 people with me, if those guys respond, no. If the mail comes from Ahuja, they will respond. If they don't,
yeah, third one, sir. Ahuja ji, third one.
And the third one is, of course, if there is some problem, when somebody gave me some problem about a month ago, there is some issue going on. So I just withdraw into my shell, and I know baki kaam mein chhod deta hu, then I just keep focusing on that. And with the result that things suffer. For example, I'll tell you, about a month, maybe a month and a half ago, I had called Subrato and Indrajit to my office for a post blending and all. But they have asked me 3-4 times, written to me, I have not been able to respond. Why? Because I've been in a certain mindset.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ahuja ji. So there are now 2 major challenges into this, growing business with the big clients and delegation of work. When he is talking about the third, so third will come from the second only.
Right.
Had there been a proper delegation of work, so ye तीसरा challenge आएगा ही नहीं है. So we'll concentrate on 2 major challenges. One, and so normally, so we just concentrate on one, but in case, so you have solutions for both these, so you can come up with these. And we need to have a laser focus focus on these 2 issues. Ahuja ji, so you are also requested कि आप note करके, because you have to just drop all those suggestions into the inner circle group, so that so the people who are not present here, so they can also relate it to their businesses.
Right.
So, and then we will have a buddy structure. We will assign you a buddy, and then you have to work with him. जो आपके पास solutions आए हों.
Right.
And now I request everyone to raise their hands in the software. Please. And so that we can just hear them out. I have right now, yes, 2 of them. Akshat, yeah, please go on.
I will focus on the second challenge, which is about the delegation.
Yes.
So Ganesh and we faced a similar challenge around in half a year back, when we wanted to focus on the enterprise clients and we wanted our teammates to start working with the light customers. We figured out that there is only one way to do it, Ahuja ji. You have to build tiers of leadership under you, right? And by tiers of leadership, I mean that someone who is working in your team goes up, closes the client, does the sale, and is the face of the customer right from the very start. If you go and close the client, make a relationship, then it becomes very difficult for the customer to adjust to a person that he's working with someone junior to you. So if you want to improve your delegation, I think first is improving the skill set of your teammates so that they can handle customers independently, of course, with your mentorship and guidance, right? And second is that way you can also focus on the enterprise clients whilst just guiding your teammates to focus on the chota wala customers, as you call it.
Thank you, Akshat. Mithilesh ji.
Ahuja sir, इस किस्म की प्रॉब्लम हम लोग भी
मिथिलेश जी आपका communication थोड़ा सा break हुआ है, so we can just we'll come back to you once it is restored. Amit ji.
Yes, Ahuja ji. So the 2 issues that were mentioned as such by Rajesh, I think those are not the issues. The real issue to me, what I understand, is the mindset which needs to be cleared up and which needs clarity actually at this stage. Because if you are not clear about what you are going to do, then many things will not happen, right? And I think what is happening with you, I can sense, is your identity, your own identity is changing. It's a huge thing. Now, when your identity, you're associated with one big company and working with them, and now it has shifting. It's a huge transition which you are going through. So there, it's not simple. Delegation is not a challenge that can be solved. Those, that skills can be taught and that can happen. Getting big clients, small clients, that can be all sorted. But in your mind, your identity is changing altogether. And that's what is the bigger challenge for you to figure out. I'm not giving an answer to you, but I'm telling the path that you're going through is very, very normal. No, it happens with everyone. When an identity changes, you have all these challenges will come up. And what I can offer for you is actually, I'm into clarity coaching, and I do this thing many times. So I can offer like maybe a 1 month kind of complimentary with you to just help you transition through that phase when you are able to identify that real identity of yours, and then many other things can be sorted out. So from my side, that's what I can help you in.
Thank you, and you will be his buddy now. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for being so gracious to offer that kind of services. Mithilesh ji, you are back. So yes, please start.
आहूजा सर, सेम टाइप की प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ हो चुकी है. आवाज आ रही है ना?
हाँ.
तो 2011 में शुरू करके हम लोग 14-15 तक बहुत ह्यूज चले गए थे, और बाद में माइनस हो गए, बहुत बुरी तरह से माइनस हो गए, सारा चीज खत्म हो गया था, और देन स्टार्ट करना पड़ा. तो जो माइंडसेट अभी आपका हो रहा है ना, इसकी जो मुझे बहुत बेसिक सी एक सॉल्यूशन लग रही है ना. एक तो जो आपने बोला ना कि आप सेल में चले जाते हैं, उसको खत्म करने के लिए सर इस वक्त ना जितनी ज्यादा नेटवर्किंग करेंगे आप, हाँ सर, जो जितने ज्यादा नेटवर्किंग करेंगे, मुझे लगता है कि बाकी चीजों की माइंडसेट की जो बताया ना, मेन माइंडसेट की प्रॉब्लम है. जितने नेटवर्क पे रहेंगे, जितने ज्यादा लोगों से मिलेंगे ना, आपके अंदर इतनी सारी कैपेसिटी है, तभी तो आप इतने बड़े कंपनी को इतने सालों तक संभालते रहे. आपको ये समझने की जरूरत है कि जब इतनी सारी स्ट्रेंथ आपके अंदर है, आपको ये जानने की जरूरत है क्या क्या स्ट्रेंथ आपकी है और किन क्लाइंट्स पे आपको फोकस करना है. इसको अलग अलग सेग्रीगेट करना होगा. हमको यही करना है. आप जब ये भी करेंगे, ये भी करेंगे, ये भी करेंगे, ये माइंड में आता है, तो इसमें जितनी ज्यादा क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी ना, उतने ज्यादा आप कस्टमर पा लेंगे. दूसरा क्या है, जितने नेटवर्किंग साइड में रहेंगे ना, तो आपकी अपनी डिस्कशन लोगों का, इस वक्त ना आप लोगों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें. बिकॉज अब सर आपने प्रॉब्लम, बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम देखा, अगर उनको बता दिया ना ये वाला प्रॉब्लम ही आपको खत्म कर गया इतनी बड़ी कंपनी को, तो लोगों के लिए बहुत बड़ा हेल्प होगा. और जैसे जैसे आप उनको हेल्प करते जाएंगे ना, लोग कस्टमर आपके साथ ऑटोमेटिकली जुड़ते जाएंगे. बिकॉज अब कि किसी भी बड़ी कंपनी का फाइनेंस संभालना इतना आसान नहीं होता, जो आप इतने सालों तक ऑलरेडी करते रहे हैं. तो सिर्फ आप किसी लोगों के साथ बैठ के ना, हर मेरे जैसे हर आदमी के साथ फाइनेंस की प्रॉब्लम है, वही प्रॉब्लम झेल रहे हैं कैश क्रंच का, जिसके कारण जो है वो कंपनी टूट गई. तो ये एक कंपनी नहीं सर, 10 में से 8 कंपनी ये प्रॉब्लम झेल रही है. आप उसके मैनेजमेंट के साथ सिर्फ बैठे हैं और आपके हिसाब से जो होना चाहिए ना, वो उनको सजेस्ट करें. बहुत सारे कस्टमर ऑटोमेटिकली आपके साथ आ जाएंगे. टाइम लगेगा, ये मान के चलें कि इसमें आपको 6 महीने साल लग जाएंगे सिर्फ रिलेशन बनाने में. लेकिन नेटवर्किंग एकदम ना छोड़ें. आप ये ना सोचें कि अपने आप काम आए, कोई नहीं आने वाला है सर. आपको लोगों के साथ बैठना है. जाके जितना ज्यादा लोगों के साथ बैठे, खाली सिर्फ आप बैठे ना घंटे घंटे या 1-to-1 करते रहे, आपकी प्रॉब्लम ऑटोमेटिक सॉल्व हो जाएगा.
थैंक यू मिथिलेश जी. निरंजन जी.
आहूजा जी, मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. बिकॉज मेरा पिछला जो एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं आपके प्रोफेशन के बिलोंग करता हूँ, और जो मेरा अभी का एप्लीकेशन है मेरे साथ जो है, वो आपको टाइम, जैसे आपने मेरा नंबर भी पूछा था, आई विल बी इंटरेस्टेड टू हेल्प यू. मेरा एप्लीकेशन विल हेल्प यू टू डाइवर्सिफाई योर वर्क एंड यू कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन वैल्यू एडिशन टू योर कस्टमर्स. मेरा सिस्टम आपको हेल्प करेगा कि जो छोटे क्लाइंट आप बोल रहे थे, उनको एक सिस्टमैटिक लेके आप उनको रिटेन भी कर सकते हो, और जो बड़े कस्टमर्स है उनके साथ जितने भी चैलेंजेस है, वी कैन एस्केलेट, वी कैन एड्रेस, वी कैन स्टोर, वी कैन मॉनिटर. एंड आई कंप्लीटली एग्री ऑन दिस कि आपको कैसे करना है, क्या करना है। जितना भी आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए मुझे पूछो, मैं आपके साथ हूँ। विल एक्सप्लोर। और आपका जो टैलेंट है, जैसे अभी जहां सर ने ही रेज करेक्ट वॉइस, एक्चुअली वो करेक्ट पॉइंट ओवर हियर कि यू हैव अ एक्सपीरियंस कि फाइनेंस मिसमैनेजमेंट कैसे हो सकता है। वी कैन बिकम create a case study of that activity and we can put forward that case study to lot of people। भाई ये डिसीजंस के वजह से ये कैश फ्लो में यहाँ पे इम्पैक्ट होता है, तो यहाँ पे आपको प्रिकॉशन लेके चलना चाहिए। ये ऐसे सारी चीजें जो है, यू कैन बिकम अ गुड कंसल्टेंट टू मेनी स्मॉल स्किल लेवल कंपनीज एंड वी कैन रेज देम फ्रॉम वन लेवल टू अनदर लेवल। यहाँ पे अपने के लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है सर। We can work
Yeah,
with
before that, so we'll have to reach out to them. So that is the main problem. ये है। उसके बाद तो आहूजा जी knows how to sell, but then so where कि reach out हमें करना पड़ेगा। वीरेंद्र जी।
या जी नमस्कार। आहूजा साहब से वैसे हमारी कल बात हुई थी, बट उस समय शायद मेरी तरफ से ज्यादा डिस्कशंस हुए थे बिकॉज हम लोग प्रोडक्ट डेमो ले रहे थे। आहूजा जी, सेम प्रॉब्लम मनीष कुमार जी ने भी रेज किया था, अगर आपको याद होगा, रिगार्डिंग गेटिंग मोर क्लाइंट्स, और तभी बहुत सारे इनपुट्स हमने दिए थे। यहाँ पे मैं 3 चीजें देखता हूँ विच इज वेरी कॉमन, जैसे मिथिलेश जी ने भी कहा, अक्षत ने भी कहा और अमित जी ने भी कहा था कि जब हम नौकरी छोड़ के या बड़ी कंपनी में से आते हैं तो इनिशियली ये जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और ट्रांजिशन है वो हरदम प्रॉब्लम फेस कराता है, क्योंकि हमें हमारे ब्रांड के साथ में बड़े प्रोग्राम्स के साथ में काम करने की आदत होती है। सो व्हेन आई मूव्ड फ्रॉम सोनी पिक्चर्स टू माय बिजनेस, I was going through the same situation. But there are the problem आपने बहुत सही identify की है, that is one is how to autopilot your business. So I am now mentoring people on that. It all happens the way Akshat said or Amit ji said, that it all happens with how you identify right person and then start working with them and delegate them slowly and gradually. If you start involving yourself because you start thinking that I am the only person who knows everything about my company, and that's the reason it's your tendency that you move into the problem statement. You yourself, you don't test others experience. आपके साथ जो employee हैं उनको आप opportunity भी नहीं share करते। So that is the biggest problem which we have identified in SME and MSME. Second important चीज है, जैसे मिथिलेश जी ने कहा, identify a set of people where you want to actually sell your product or your TG. Start meeting them, business mile na mile. Start sitting with them, business mile na mile, and definitely down the line you'll find that when you are in that particular environment, that environment starts giving you back. So these are the basic things which helps people. Whereas if you are really interested to autopilot your business in terms of जैसे अमित जी ने कहा, he is more senior and experienced, उसके अलावा भी अगर हमें आपको कोई help चाहिए तो I am there to help you specifically because I am working on this project for lot many IT companies and CAs also to autopilot their business.
Thank you, Virendra ji.
Yeah, thank you.
Rekha ji.
One minute. I wanted to share about the delegation and how we have done. So Ahooja ji, the first very thing we did outcome to the team, and we started by delegating small low risk tasks so that they can slowly build up to work on something bigger. So this way, the delegation becomes less stressful and more of a routine. And very important, when you give the task to the employees, you identify what are the constraints, what are the possibilities, and the amount of responsibility and the authority that you will give them when you delegate them any task. And also very important that you have follow-up meetings and touch points with your team. So this, if practice, this can definitely help you to get your business on the autopilot mode and eventually free up your time for better activities on strategy, on growing your business. And any issues that you have in your sales or the marketing process or to scale up, you can always, I'm always one call away for you. So that was my take and, the input for this. We can definitely.
Thank you, Rekha ji. So now we have Mr. Yogesh. Yogesh ji. So let's have your input.
हाँ जी, थैंक यू। आहूजा जी, आपने खुद बोला कि नेटवर्क 18 उस टाइम 11 से शुरू कर दी, छोटे से स्टार्ट किए, तो आप तो छोटों के साथ तो कर ही थे और वो बड़ा बन गया। तो आप अभी सोचिए कि क्या हुआ, क्या रोक दिया आपको कि भाई वापस कोई छोटे के साथ जुड़ के उसको फिर क्यों नहीं बड़ा बनाए? ये आपको पहला देखना पड़ेगा। और अगर वो माइंडसेट क्लियर हो गया, जैसे बाकी लोगों ने भी बोला है, तो अपने आप चीजें फॉलो इनटू प्लेस हो जाएंगी। नाउ द थिंग इज कि अनदर थिंग इज दैट इफ दैट इज स्टॉपिंग यू, दैट इज अ चैलेंज फॉर यू कि मैं छोटों को नहीं देख सकता, देन यू क्रिएट अ सेपरेट, अ डबल आइडेंटिटी, कीप अनदर पर्सन as a person who talks to only छोटा people, so that you have, क्योंकि छोटा बंदा अगर बड़े को देखेगा, जैसे अगर वो देखेगा कि बड़ा आदमी है, नेटवर्क 18 का है और बहुत बड़े कंपनीज को देखता है, वो छोटा आदमी अपने आप घबरा जाएगा, वो खुद ही जुड़ना नहीं चाहेगा कि ये बहुत महंगा है या बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें कराएगा या वॉट एवर इट इज, तो वो अपने आप उसकी एक माइंडसेट होगी। सो नाउ दैट माइंडसेट ऑल्सो हैज टू बी टैकल्ड। तो उसके लिए यू क्रिएट अनदर आइडेंटिटी बाय अनदर पर्सन एंड लेट दैट पर्सन हैंडल इट, एंड यू लुक एट बिगर पीपल बिकॉज योर माइंडसेट इज दैट। क्योंकि आप छोटे से बड़े हो गए, अब आप नेचुरली दैट माइंडसेट इज देयर नाउ। सो 2 लेवल्स पे आप काम कर सकते हो। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Yogesh ji. Atul ji, so you have any input?
Right. तो आहूजा जी, अब की बार मैं आपको कुछ नहीं बेचूंगा, ठीक है? तो
what a relief
ना। So मेरे को ना एक चीज समझ में आई, आप one of the strengths that you have is that you are able to deal with, you know the pitfalls of mismatch in working capital और cash flow। आपको पता है वो कहां पर गायब होता है। What if you become a specialist or you start positioning yourself as a cash flow and working capital specialist and you become a consultant to other CAs? मैं आपको एक केस इन पॉइंट देता हूं। देयर इज अ सीए, मैं उनका नाम नहीं लूंगा, वो जो है उनकी अच्छी खासी सीए की प्रैक्टिस है, एंड व्हाट ही हैज डन, he saw that there was a space in this अपना जो होता है legacy management के लिए जो होता है, ठीक है ना? So he started talking about wills. Why should you have wills? How you create a second line of business, second line of leadership, so that you get out, है ना? Now he is focusing only on that. तो सारे के सारे जो बाकी CAs हैं, now उनका जो वो, they don't see him as a competition, they see him as a specialist, और वो अपने क्लाइंट इनके पास लाते हैं कि जी केवल इसके ऊपर आपने काम करना, सक्सेशन प्लानिंग के ऊपर। ऑलराइट, नाउ यू थिंक ऑफ इट कि जी अभी अगर आप मिथिलेश जी के पास जाते हो, उनका सीए ना इमीडिएटली तलवार निकाल के खड़ा हो जाएगा कि जी ये मेरा कस्टमर खाने आ गया है। बट if you go to Mithilesh ji ki I will help you sort only your working capital challenges, nothing else, and I will work with your CA, then you become a consultant only for that one piece which is working capital cash flow. तो पूरी हिंदुस्तान में कहीं पर भी वर्किंग कैपिटल आता है, कैश फ्लो आता है, जीएस आहूजा का नाम आता है। So as you said, you did not have a branding. This can be your positioning, and this is where you can use. आपने किसका नाम बोलता? सुब्रतो की टीम लेकर तो आप अपना ब्रांड वहां खड़ा कर सकते हो। आप ये जो है अमित चावला जी के साथ जब बात करोगे, then you get that clarity on this. अभी सारे के सारे बंदों ने जितनों ने ऑफर किया ना, इन सबको इकट्ठे करके let us create one brand called GS Ahuja Working Capital Cash Flow Group.
I understand.
तो उसमें आपका बड़े छोटे वाला फंडा भी खत्म हो गया। You don't need to have a 24 people team, 1.25 लाख, that is it. You probably need 1 or 2 admin guys जो आपकी अपॉइंटमेंट्स मैनेज करेंगे, not beyond that. You are the face, you are the one who's delivering it, and you go as a surgeon, go do the surgery, come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Atul. So we have Vijay ji.
Ahuja ji, we are practicing the sound frequency vibration and sound healing techniques, which is scientifically and proven. I'll speak to you one to one how to make the breakthrough and cut the ice.
Thank you.
Because the program is called the Beyond Horizons and the Quantum Leap, which takes the businessman, CEO, director ahead of wherever the people are. तो मैं आपसे पर्सनली बात करूंगा इसमें मत बात करेंगे. Then not only Mr. Ahuja, we will take everybody ahead together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijay ji. Okay, so wonderful insights from people. So now so I'll have my own 2 seconds.
I think हाँ please आप कर लीजिए. I think ये जो श्रीपद कुलकर्णी जी ने पहले हाथ रेस किया था, फिर वो शायद गायब हो गए थे. एक बार से पूछ लीजिएगा.
नहीं, यहाँ सॉफ्टवेयर में शायद
नहीं, I think he dropped and then he joined back, so that's why.
Okay, Shripad ji, so will you like to put your inputs?
या मेरा थोड़ा अलग मानना है और आहूजा जी से मैं पहले ही माफी चाहता हूं कि अगर मैं कुछ अलग बोलूं तो आपको गलत ना लगे. मेरा खुद का ऐसा कहना है कि ये सीए और सीएस जो लोग हैं ना, वो अपना ऑफिस बना के ऐसा समझते हैं कि एंटरप्रेन्योर ने उनके यहाँ 10 बार आना चाहिए और पूछना चाहिए. ये रवैये से इनको बाहर पड़ना पड़ेगा. Because unfortunately the entrepreneur has to face 35 different government employees, government officer, 35 different government inspectors. उसके बावजूद उसको कस्टमर के पास जाना है, कोटेशन सबमिट करना है, 10 बार उसकी दाढ़ी को हाथ लगाना है और बाद में ऑर्डर लाना है, वो एग्जीक्यूट करना है और उसमें से प्रॉफिट कमाना है. ये CAs are working on behalf of finance minister and
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है श्रीपद जी. सो वेरी वैल्यूएबल पॉइंट. सो विल कम बैक टू यू. सो अगर आप उस टाइम तक अवेलेबल हो. ओके, थैंक यू श्रीपद जी फॉर हाँ GS आहूजा जी. So these are typical challenges of small businesses. So as far as I'm concerned, so we also had a similar challenge. Like हमारे पास भी, so when we had clients like IBM है, Lenovo and all that, we also thought about यार कल को एक client पे हम सारा इतना depend हो रहे हैं. So if he goes, what happens? So at that point of time, we started diversifying. Our जो हमारा business model था, so it was only overseas. Now we just brought mass products in India. So आपको concentrate ये करना पड़ेगा. So what line are you going? Are you going for smaller or are you going for bigger? ना हमने क्या करा जी, हमने SMEs को करा and smallers को नहीं करेंगे. अगर वो automatically आएंगे, we'll take them, but our focus won't be there. Now अगर if our so we won't spend our energies into getting smaller ones. Smaller one आ जाते हैं, so without any effort, so they are most welcome. So that is one. The second is about delegation of responsibilities. Like हमारे पास, so I'll just tell you about ourselves also. कि delegation of responsibility is very important thing. And now for that, so the first thing is कि you have to satisfy yourself that these are capable people. अगर आपने ही question mark वो डाल दिया, then so you won't be able to just get work from them. So first, so you have to choose people who are capable enough and जहाँ पे आपको wow लगेगा, yes, he can just take my work. Once you are satisfied, फिर आपकी delegation automatically you will have a trust. अभी आपके पास trust level नहीं है, so you don't trust them that they can handle your clients. So that is the reason that you handle them yourselves. The first is invest on good people. So हमने so जहाँ पे so for this so हमने हमारी organization is around 40 people. हमने key people, जैसे key people, if he is worth around X amount, so we invested 2X into him to retain him because we know that he is a key person and he is going to handle others. जो ये responsibility है हमने उसको दी है, and then say for example IBM, so we handle ourselves but then got out of that. And we only were just talking about some communications with the higher ups and all that. So rest we delegated, and like that also. So अब जो key persons हैं वहां पे I don't go into it. So we just leave it to them. We just leave it to them कि आप ये करो, because now we have a trust. So they have handled, they have delivered. जब तक आप वो deliver नहीं करेंगे, so you won't have a trust. And पहले अपने आप को trust. So you have that trust first, and then so you can delegate responsibility. And जब वो करेंगे, वो trust double हो जाएगा, and that is how you can just grow. Yeah, that was my take.
Sir, permission है कुछ?
Yeah. Yes.
So अभी सभी, and it is applicable to all those who have a smaller team or lacking in delegation. So the basic thing which we tell people is just list down the all laundry list which you do individually entire day. Then find out how many out of your list, how many things which if you don't do, still your business can work. Start giving that to someone in your team and see that they can do it properly. Trust them. Second, there are people, they don't hire people only. They think मैं कर लूँगा जी, solopreneur हूँ. मेरा कहना है आपके per hour time का calculation करिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी value 1000 रुपया है तो आप खुद करिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि you are a person who has got a value of say 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 50,000 rupees or 10,000 even per hour, then please hire someone. His maximum cost will be 10,000, 20,000 per month multiplied by 12 महीने का calculation कर लीजिए. 1,20,000, 2 लाख लेके चलिए. That is the maximum exposure you have by identifying one person in your organization and start keeping him as your assistant. Slowly and gradually you'll find that all this laundry, out of this laundry list, everything which is not relevant and things can run without that you personally doing it, please give that to that person and make yourself free. Once you are free, you can actually start focusing on things which are much important for you. ठीक है? इस तरीके से धीरे धीरे डेलीगेशन स्टार्ट होता है. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि कल आपने इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें किसी को दी और देन आप ही परेशान हो रहे हो, यार मैंने ना दिया था उसने किया, राइट? सो पहली बात तो मैक्सिमम कॉस्ट एक्सपोजर क्या है आपका? 2 लाख रुपया साल का. एक आदमी अच्छा ढूंढिए जिसके पास में बेसिक अकल हो, कम्युनिकेशन ठीक हो, और उसको दे दीजिए. आपके वो लॉन्ड्री लिस्ट में से जो काम अभी आप कर रहे हो पहले उसे लिख भी लीजिए. ये सबके लिए एप्लीकेबल है. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड आई वाज आल्सो डूइंग द सेम. बैग लेके घूमते रहो. टुडे आई डोंट डू दैट. And I personally will tell you, each one of you, those who feel that delegation is difficult, this is the simplest way of doing it. Today you will find that for all your verticals, जैसे राजेश जी ने बताया कि बड़े बड़े अकाउंट उनके पास आज की तारीख में दूसरे लोग हैंडल करते हैं. This is very simple to do that. Then you become a very at a different level together. आपके सिर्फ वर्टिकल हेड्स आके आपको ये रिपोर्ट करते हैं कि साहब इस पर्टिकुलर वर्टिकल में ये हो चुका है. स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन में आप इन्वॉल्व होते हो. So I think that is something which everyone needs to understand that when it comes to delegation. Instead of fussy about कि अरे यार मेरी कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगी, एक बंदा unnecessarily हायर कर लूंगा. कुछ नहीं होता सर. 2 लाख रुपए आप ऐसे ही कमा लोगे बिकॉज आपकी कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. आपका 1 घंटे की कीमत बहुत ज्यादा है.
Thank you वीरेंद्र जी. तो आप ये इनपुट्स मिल रहे हैं, so they are हमने ना अपने बर्न करे हुए hands to get those inputs.
Actually,
so every one of us. So this is a very हमने हमारी एक्सपीरियंस इतने साल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं to gain all those things. ये उसके बाद आपको मिल रहे हैं. And that is what Atul ji also said कि यहाँ पे आपको प्रैक्टिकल. So हम we have not booked it. जब आपने कहा तो हमारे पास वो आ गया. हाँ अतुल जी.
Yeah, हाँ जी अमित जी, you can say please.
Yeah, I just wanted to mention something. I wanted to just congratulate Ahuja ji first of all, because he mentioned he was able to share his challenges, and one of the challenge he mentioned was he goes into his shell when has those problems. But today he's come out of the shell because he's talking to so many people and expressing the challenge and is receiving all the things so that he can move ahead. So that's what I want to just say. Congratulate you are coming out of your shell anyways, that you have taken the first step to come out of that. So that's a very big step, because once you take a first step, then other steps will happen.
अच्छा, मैं भी कुछ वो करूँगा इनपुट से मेरा.
यार सॉफ्टवेयर में I can see मिथिलेश जी raising hand. Yes.
एक छोटा सा आंसर, अगर आपको कॉस्ट नहीं बढ़ाना है ना, तो मनीष जी और इन किस्म के लोग ऑलरेडी जो है इनकी सेटअप है. तो छोटे काम या इस किस्म के काम जिसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं ना, जहां हम कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर सकते,
yes.
साथ कोलैबोरेट करो ना सर, कोई एडिशनल खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अब मान लिया जाए मनीष जी के पास टीम ऑलरेडी है जो इस किस्म की चीजों को संभाल रही है, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हम कंसंट्रेट करेंगे बड़े काम के लिए और इस किस्म के जो काम है सो वो कर लिया, तो आपको कुछ भी एडिशनल करने की जरूरत नहीं। ये एक्सपर्ट ऑलरेडी बैठे हुए हैं इनके लड़के, कोई चीज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। हमारा तो ध्यान ये है ना कि छोटे छोटे करके किस दिन हम उस क्लाइंट तक पहुंच जाएंगे जहां पर आपको वापस खड़ा करना है, तब तक क्यों एडिशनल टेंशन लेना। जो भी आ रहा है वो इनको, या और भी मैं सिर्फ नाम इसलिए ले रहा हूँ साथ में है, तो मनीष जी के साथ करिए मीटिंग सर, यहाँ से हो सकता है कि
बिल्कुल
एक्चुअली
मनीष से कुछ करा हुआ है, तो so let us hear Manish ji also. So he is from your fraternity, so he might have other ideas also. Yeah, Manish ji.
मेरा भी एक
सुब्रत जी,
एक्चुअली जो आहूजा सर ने जो प्रॉब्लम्स बताया, ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ आहूजा सर का ही नहीं है, मेरा भी है और बाकी सबका ऑलमोस्ट सेम प्रॉब्लम है। ठीक है सर, तो ये जितना भी सजेशन मिला, मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज बताऊंगा कि इसमें से लेट्स अज्यूम कि हमें 10 सजेशन मिला, जैसे कोलैबोरेशन हो गया, ऑटोमेशन करने का हो गया, डेलीगेशन करने का हो गया, मार्केटिंग करना है, नेटवर्किंग करना, बहुत सारे सजेशन मिले। तो आहूजा सर इसमें से क्या करना, 2 से 3 सजेशन सबसे पहले ले लीजिए और उसको फर्स्ट मंथ में पहले उसको अप्लाई करिए। वो जब हो जाए फिर उसके बाद सेकेंड मंथ में दूसरा तीसरा सजेशन करिए। अगर एक ही बार सारा का सारा सजेशन हम एक बार अप्लाई करना शुरू कर दें तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा। ठीक है सर, अब बाकी सारे सजेशन काफी वैल्यूएबल है और एक एक करके एक एक 2-2 सजेशन करके अप्लाई करना शुरू करें सर, बस मैं यही कहूंगा।
एंड आई विल जस्ट पुट अगेन, मनीष से मेरी कुछ हफ्ते या कुछ महीने पहले बात हुई तो थी कि लेट्स मीट अप एंड सी वेयर वी कैन यू नो वर्क टुगेदर। आई थिंक मनीष इस हफ्ते कर लेते हैं वो मीटिंग
सर। कल ही, अगर कल आप फ्री हो तो कल सुबह ही कर लेते हैं सर।
ये बहुत बढ़िया सर,
वंडरफुल। आज ही कर लो, आज शनि का ग्रहण निपट जाएगा तो अच्छा रहेगा। सॉरी, कल है शनि का ग्रहण, कल करना।
ट्रिपर जी आ गए, राजेश जी।
हेलो, so anybody else?
श्रीपद जी,
मेरा एक
हाँ प्लीज सुब्रतो प्लीज।
क्या सुब्रतो?
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो प्रॉब्लम में मतलब हर कोई मतलब इस प्रॉब्लम को ऑलरेडी मतलब सफर हुआ ऑलरेडी, हम लोग भी सेम केस में ऑलरेडी गुजर रहे थे। तो जो हम लोग के मेंटर पर्सन है उनको मैंने बोला, मैं मेंटर पर्सन नाम थोड़ी देर बाद बताऊंगा लास्ट में। तो उनको जब मैंने बोला कि सर मेरे को छोटे क्लाइंट मिल रहे हैं, बड़े क्लाइंट तो नहीं मिल रहे, 3-4 मंथ्स की मेरी कंपनी है। तो उन्होंने बोला कि बड़े क्लाइंट क्या होते हैं और छोटे क्लाइंट क्या होते हैं। बड़े क्लाइंट का मतलब ये है कि सर पोटेंशियल ज्यादा होंगे, पैसे ज्यादा मिलेंगे और काम भी, मेरा ब्रांडिंग भी अच्छी होगी। तो उन्होंने सबसे पहले हमें जो चेंज किया, जो मॉडल को चेंज किया, तो सर ने सबसे पहले सजेशन दिया कि अपने आप को सबसे पहले बड़े लेवल पे लेके जाना, राइट। हमने एक हल्दीराम को, हम लोग एक छोले भटूरे जो है, एग्जाम्पल ये है कि एक छोले भटूरे हम रेडी पे ले रहे हैं 20 रुपीज पर प्लेट। सेम चीज अगर हम हल्दीराम पे लेंगे तो 100 रुपीज होगा, ऐसे राइट। तो सबसे पहले हमें अपने आप को बड़ा प्रेजेंट करना है, तभी हमें क्या कर, हमने फिर प्रेजेंटेशन जो होता है, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, ये ओएनडीजी की टैगलाइन है। आपका जो दिखावे 50% सेल जो डिपेंड कर रहा है वो दिखावे के ऊपर डिपेंड कर रहा है। आपकी मतलब जो आपकी ब्रांडिंग, कम्युनिकेशंस एंड प्रेजेंटेशन के ऊपर पूरा डिपेंड हो है कि आप किस तरह से मार्केट्स में प्रेजेंटेशन हो रहे हैं। तो ये मेन चैलेंजेस हमने कल तक नहीं, एक हफ्ते पहले तक फेस किया था। आज उसी चैलेंज को और उसी सेम चीज को हमने अप्लाई किया कि अगर डेंसू जैसे एजेंसी जो काम कर रहे हैं, हम सेम काम कर रहे हैं, वो भी लो प्राइस में। अगर वो 55,000 वेब डेवलपमेंट पे ले रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, तो हम 25,000 के ऊपर चार्जेस कर रहे हैं। तो हमने क्या किया, उस चेंजेस को ऑलरेडी अपने एजेंसी में इंप्लीमेंट की, हमने मैन पावर इंक्रीज किया, देन उसके बाद सर्विस इन हाउस रखा, डेवलपर ऑलरेडी इन हाउस, सब कुछ इन हाउस किया, और 1 हफ्ते के अंदर हमने 2 बड़े प्रोजेक्ट मेरे को मिल रहा है। ये काफी मेरे को अंदर ऑलरेडी ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन एंड ब्रांडिंग एंड जो इमेज को अपना मतलब अपने चैनल के थ्रू, आजकल के टाइम पे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के टाइम पे सेल्स इज वेरी इजी। पहले मैं न्यूज़पेपर एंड बाकी की बात कर रहा हूँ, जब एटीएल प्रिंट मैगजीन था, इनमें सेल्स उतना इजी नहीं था। आज तो हमें डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इतना आसान कर दिया सेल्स को, अपने आप को प्रेजेंटेशन करने का इतना ओवेनर आ गया है, इतना मतलब अपने आप को प्रेजेंटेशन करने के लिए डिफरेंट मॉडल्स आ गए हैं, तो हम इसको कर सकते हैं 100% गारंटी के साथ। और दूसरा ये है कि हमें सबसे बढ़िया बात है कि डिजिटल मार्केट में आपको लीड भी जो है, अगर आपको कोई फॉलो कर रहा है वो भी पता चल जाता है, लीड भी जो है वो भी फॉलो पता चल रहा है, तो ये बहुत इफेक्ट होगा। मेरा एक सजेशन है, बाकी मैं आपसे एक बार बात करूंगा इसके बारे में।
थैंक यू सुब्रत जी। एंड इसमें एक चैलेंज भी है कि दैट चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स cannot market themselves.
I know, sir. I know, but article publishing
so you have to just keep that also in mind.
And Rajesh ji, आपने ठीक कहा. I have been toying with the idea of actually giving up my CL license so that I can market more openly. One, and of course tie up with people like Manish who can do the certification or do the stamping part. Because
yes.
I feel I am at that stage in life now, okay, I know what a CA will go through, so I can probably manage that. So that's also something on my mind.
नहीं मत करो लाइसेंस मत सरेंडर करो, मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है, मैं बोलूंगा आपको, लाइसेंस सरेंडर मत करो। वो कमाने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है सर, जाने के लिए 1 सेकंड लगेगा।
आहूजा जी,
you don't need to do that, so you can have so we can just devise means that retain that and you can just market yourself.
आहूजा जी, probably you can give up the COP,
Yeah, उसी की बात कर रहा हूँ।
डिग्री देखिए, COP आप दे सकते हैं वापस आए।
I'm just evaluating options, so maybe I decide to go ahead. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, so okay, so thank you so much. So
Mr. SVS सुब्रमण्यम सर अगर कुछ बोलना है, उनको उनका एक्सपीरियंस इन चीजों को अलग-अलग कंपनियों को खड़ा करने का है। So सुब्रमण्यम साहब क्या बोलते हैं?
No, I have nothing much to add. Many of our people have aired their views. Nothing much to add.
श्रीपत जी, so are you back? आपका अधूरा रह गया था। Okay, so you can send your suggestions to Ahuja ji. Yeah, please do that. Amit ji, so you will be a buddy of GS Ahuja ji, and
sure.
There may be a point such you are the best person to prioritize 3-4 points and help him on that. Right?
Yeah, I think that's what I'll help him.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you all very much.
Yeah, so Ahuja ji, your final words about the entire thing.
My final word. Okay, something which Yogesh said is very soothing to my ego, in the sense that if you're not able to get hold of clients or the clients you want, तो लगता है कि यार तुम बेकार हो गए हो वगैरह। Those thoughts come to your mind. But when he said that networking at one stage was small, तब तुमने small handle किया था ना? So I thought that was very encouraging. So one can build on that very much. And lot of other things. Atul का जो issues बताया, मिथिलेश जी ने बताया, अमित जी ने जो बताया, I mean, I've noted everything down. I'm going to sort out. I'm going to make a rework on this checklist, and I think, God willing, things should work. Things should work out.
मैं एक चीज ऐड करूं? या तो ना, मैंने अभी लास्ट वीक में एक छोटा सा वीडियो देखा कहीं पर, उसने कहा 3 चीजें करो। If there is something which you can do in 2 minutes, do that immediately. Don't leave it till a later date. Second, batch similar things together. जो एक जैसे काम आपको करना है ना, सारे को इकट्ठा करो और एक बार में कर डालो। और तीसरी चीज उसने कही कि you invest 2 hours in a week to plan the next week. अगले वीक में आपको क्या करना है, उसके लिए 2 घंटे इस वीक में लगाओ आप। Then you will see that a lot more gets done. ठीक है जी?
Okay जी.
Yeah. So I am going to create a room so visitors can have a conversation. Yeah. And before you go to there, so you have to make your mind that this is a giver's form. So when we talk about the giving is not giving commissions and all that. Giving is about, यहाँ पे nobody was going to take that as a give. So giving is introducing जो आपके clients है to them. So वहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपको you see that so for example if you work with an A client है वहाँ पे, so you can just sell that, but then you can just see that so there is something else for my fellow members कि जहाँ पे वो explore कर सकते हो. So that is an actual give, and जहाँ पे so you help them to get into that kind of a business. Yeah. So I'm just opening that.
Rajesh ji, request to all to put their contact details in the chat box.
Yeah,
Our member and our guest also, please.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So what was your experience?
Really good. I mean, I think this create session was new for me. I have the fact that we are really cross forum, cross industry, but the collaboration was very impressive. So thanks for creating the create session.
I request Akshat if possible, आप दिल्ली में हो, पुरी साहब भी है, तो एक बार 1-to-1 मिल लो as per your schedule. So
Definitely, as per Atul sir's schedule, we can definitely schedule a face-to-face.
Where are you in Delhi, Akshat?
I am in Gurgaon.
Where in Gurgaon?
So I'm based out of Sushant Lok, close to Huda city. 1.
Okay. I'm in sector 56.
Oh yeah, that's close by, close to Rapid Metro, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very
Down the
close.
golf course road. So let's catch up.
Absolutely.
Yeah, definitely. Haji. So Virendra ji, please take it further.
Yeah. So thank you everyone for being in today's session. So first thing which I would like to ask each one of you that what you felt means what is your first impression about this entire session, and would you like to be the part of this session every week, or would you like to be the part of this family, I would say. So I'll start with maybe Mr. Subramaniam, who is the most senior. Sir.
I don't know, sir. I'll have to think about it.
Okay.
So maybe later I will air my views.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's about the second question. How about the first question, sir?
The first question is about?
How was the session and what you felt? What is your first impression about the session?
Well, it is a rendezvous or a podium where people can meet and air their views and express their views and opinions. It gives an insight about the businesses that are being dealt with by many people, some veterans in business and some people who are starters. It also is a forum where the people can seek help from others in the circle. In that way, it's good. But I do not know as far as the training and development is concerned, for learning and practicing platform is concerned, whether it will be a good idea to explore with. Okay. Because I see that most of you are businessmen in your own domain, and maybe that you don't, I mean, I'm from a corporate world, and I ventured into this to help MSMEs, yes, to make people to grow in their own areas, to inculcate systems, to educate people, to bring people from the lower level to grow, to be able to see their problems so that they'll be able to solve the problems.
Right.
So I'm into training in operational excellence. It's a entirely different arena. It's on total quality management, total flow management, total productive maintenance, or total service management and whatnot. So basically total change management for changing the culture of the company. Culture means the perception and the paradigm of the people to go towards excellence, to propel towards excellence. So I'm basically a core manufacturing man and into training and development. So I do not know if these forum members will be able to benefit from this type of training and development.
Just to add, sir. So first of all, Inner Circle, if you see the profiles of Inner Circle members, then you'll find, people from all the domains. Like, there are a lot many people from manufacturing, there are a lot many from the service industry, and there are also trainers and coaches. There are also from the way, Subroto and all, there are also from digital marketing and website development and app development companies. Now, what I see, because I'm also a coach for retail franchisee coach and leadership coach, along with my other 4 businesses, I see there is an opportunity to connect with the PG. So I see there are a lot many my customers sitting in front of me. Okay. So that helps me to evaluate and explore their connects also. And if I can serve one of them, and then I get a referrals from there. So that is the opportunity which I see specifically in SME and MSME space, because I am also in handling SME and MSME space. Whereas if you talk about the corporate, then yes, there are few members in our group, or you can see Inner Circle, they have a direct connect and their customers are top corporate like IBM and you name the big brand and they are serving them. We do have members like Chima Boilers, they are 500 crores company. We have Mr. Shripad, he is having a big setup in Nasik. So we do have different profile and different scale of people, right from maybe few crores to say 500 crores companies. So from my perspective, I see yes, there is a target audience sitting in front of me where I can position myself right and get an opportunity to help them in their business. And the way you rightly said, even in the manufacturing, we do have people, those who do have excellent manufacturing setups. You can definitely help them in their businesses and then further get multiple references from them. Because once you prove yourself with one, then automatically you start getting references. That's what we say. So that opportunity is definitely there for you, sir. But definitely it's about, you don't get that upfront. You have to, it is always like, when once I start knowing you, then I realize, yes, you can help me in my business. The way today Amit got, references from, GS Ahuja ji got references or, feedbacks from various individuals. And then there is a buddy given. Mr. Amit himself is a coach also. So, and we don't see ourselves as, competitors. I'm also coach. He's also a coach. He's a clarity coach. I'm a business development and leadership coach. So we collaborate and, serve companies. So there's that kind of, Atulji himself is, helping people on leverage models. So this is how we collaborate. We have our own customer base. We share that customer base with each other and grow together. That's what this group is all about. So, जैसे अतुल जी बहुत बार कहते हैं कि बड़ी-बड़ी कंपनी के लिए मैकेंजी होता है ना, सो वहां पे वो खर्चा कर सकते हैं और वहां पे वो सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढ सकते हैं. दिस प्लेटफॉर्म गिव्स यू द सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस मे बी और टू सम एक्सटेंट प्लस माइनस, बट डेफिनेटली यू गेट लॉट मेनी इनसाइट्स हियर इन दिस ग्रुप टू बिल्ड योर बिजनेस.
I'd like to just add one thing to this, that if you are looking at a proposition of selling to, then this may be a very small group. The moment you start looking at selling through, then it is huge, far beyond what you can comprehend. Right? I, in fact, see a lot of possibilities of collaboration between SVS Sun and in fact, 3 of you, the others, Niranjan, Akshat, as well as Ganesh, are from Cloud Tech. Now, Cloud Tech is a Kirloskar group company. I don't need to say what engineering and engineering and Kirloskars are synonymous.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And as an offshoot, so what they have been, the platforms, what they've been using within Kirloskar group, they are selling them as products right now. Would that be appropriate to say so, Niranjan?
Yes.
Yeah. So like this, I like to share that the moment we start looking at selling through, then we are in an ocean. Yeah. Now I'd like to ask the same question is open to three of you. Whosoever goes first, the fastest finger first. What has been your experience?
Yes. So I'm Ganesh, and I really like this session. As I mentioned in my brief, of its kind forum that I had, and the the create session was really good. In fact, we internally discussed on that. That also gives lot of connect, personal connect within the members also. So I believe that every week one of the member would do the create session.
Absolutely.
And that would really help everyone emotionally with that business. And then the moment we get to that stage, we have I have not just me selling, but another 20 members selling for me. So that is really good part of it. I'm sure that referral exchange and things would be there, which we could not really see today, but then that must be part of this whole game.
So referral exchange you will never see on this meeting. Referral exchange is which happens during the week. See, the more you connect one-to-one. So if you would have realized, Rekha said that she is doing work with Subroto. So they are doing the digital marketing for them. That happened as a referral exchange, right? Somebody else also said that they are using their services, right? In fact, even SVS San, he got an opportunity through eGrowth. I got connected to him only, I think, 4 or 5 days back. He's already landed a job. So there is referrals which is happening during the week.
True.
Yeah.
And I just have one more question, in fact.
Yeah, please. All your questions, you just let your questions come. Yeah, please.
Correct. So how does location would matter? So suppose we are sitting in Pune, Mumbai, and you guys are in Delhi. So how, वीरेंद्र जी, आपका experience कैसा है?
जी मैं पूना में हूँ, ठीक है. और बेस्ट पार्ट ये होती है कि ये सारी चीजें वर्चुअल है, ठीक है. This is not something where we are meeting face to face currently, and even before when we used to meet in a clusters, like अतुल जी बम्बई आ जाते थे और हम यहाँ से मुंबई चले जाते थे, या वो पुणे आ जाते थे, फिर हम लोग कहीं मिल लेते थे. So that keeps on happening. Probably after lockdown properly खत्म हो जाएगा सब, अतुल जी जब बाहर निकलना स्टार्ट कर देंगे डेल से, so then probably we'll be on the move from for all over India also. He traveled by car throughout half of India. So what I personally see when we are on a virtual platforms, and that too with such type of connect, you rightly said, Ganesh, that there is a hell lot of emotional connects happening here. So I personally know that what Rekha, me, Atul, and we are again doing one more collaborative event together. So this keeps on happening. So it's not like, so that's the reason I will also ask you, how many of you have tried other networking? So I will say this is not a networking platform. I will say this is a very close loop family. Everybody knows what is the business other person is doing. So if you ask me 21 लोग क्या करते हैं, मैं आपको टक 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 बता दूंगा. शायद मेरे से अच्छा अतुल जी बता पाएंगे. And उनको ये भी पता होंगे कि उनके problems क्या है आजकल. Because every week they are talking about their problems. उसके बाद हम 1-to-1 भी कर लेते हैं. So probably last week, and I discussed with 2 or 3 members 1-to-1. कल रात में ही मेरा आहूजा जी से बात हुआ था, where I was talking about my BizMIS app to him. So this type of things keep on happening, where we exchange our products, we exchange our services, we talk about what challenges we are facing, and then idea sharing. You get lot many inputs, which if you implement, then you get a success. See, most of the time, being a coach, I always feel I know everything. It's not like that. Okay, I have 22 years of corporate experience. I was a regional head for Sony Pictures, heading east for Sony. Before that, I was with Tata. But when I resigned and joined, I thought I know everything. But when I started meeting all this group and the diversified experienced people with more than 25, 30 or even 50 years of experience, people come here. जैसे सुब्रमण्यम साहब खुद का experience 48 years plus है. So ऐसे लोग जब आपसे interact करते हैं, तो भले ही वो आपको coaching नहीं कर रहे उस समय, बट जो हल्का सा एक वर्ड बोल जाते हैं वो आपको एक इनसाइट देता है, एक आइडिया देता है ताकि आप आगे बढ़ो. सो गणेश, आई थिंक इट इज अ प्लेस वेयर लोकेशन इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. यू आर फ्रॉम व्हाटएवर प्लेस. आई थिंक वी हैव वन पर्सन फ्रॉम कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, या सिडनी. So one person is from Sydney. There is one from Bangladesh. So there are a lot many people from different parts of country. श्रीपत जी नासिक से हैं, बॉम्बे से बहुत सारे लोग हैं, है ना. So location is not a problem because we are on a virtual platform. और 1-to-1 इसलिए करते हैं ताकि अभी देखिए अभी आपसे मुझे मेरी मुलाकात हो गई, हम पता चला पुणे में है, तो मैं आपसे बोल सकता हूँ जी मेरा तो ऑफिस दुर्गावनपुर के पास है, कभी भी आइए चाय पीने. So जो लोग पास है वो कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. And other than this platform, we have an India mixer also, जहाँ पे other than inner circle group के लोग भी आते हैं, जहाँ पे भी आप आपके पास business exchange कर सकते हैं. तो community इतनी छोटी नहीं है कि ये तो वो लोग हैं जो बहुत close loop है, ठीक है. तो inner circle is really inner circle. Whereas we have India mixture also, पूरे इंडिया के जितने भी members हैं वो भी आके जुड़ के कोई भी जगह से आके मिल सकते हैं.
Great.
Anything from Akash and Niranjan?
One, I could already experience the kind of potential synergies we can draw for it. For example, your introduction about Tally on app, that was very intriguing for me. In fact, I would like to know the details on how you worked it out and how we can work together. So I think for me it was I would like to thank Atul sir and Niranjan for sort of inviting us. For me, the Create session was awesome in terms of the kind of inputs which came from people from different industries. And just two-liner introductions were intriguing enough for me to sort of go in. So in case of Mr. G.S. Ahuja, I saw that it was all personal branding. So probably that was the reason he's struggling with a lot of people wanting to talk to him directly and not go for a team kind of an engagement. So I think for me, it was a great session. So thank you, first of all. Second, I would definitely like to know more about the Tally on app, MyBiz application within the G. Whenever you're free, we can catch up.
We'll connect.
Even I'll be joining that session. Akshat, let me please share that calendar with me also. So for GRC also it is useful. Let's see how we can work together. English app.
So I've shared my number. आप कोई भी एक जन मुझे अपना नंबर उस पे SMS कर दीजिए. We'll definitely connect. So but this session is not for BizMIS. We'll connect separately. This is to understand how much you are keen to join this inner circle. So
really, to be honest with English app, give me time for. I know Atul very well.
Okay.
I know eGrowth also. The idea was to just take a feedback from Akshat and Ganesh. We'll have an internal meeting between three of us, and we want to see that how we can utilize this platform not for business. At the same time, we want to create awareness about our services and our products. To be honest with you, and yes, sale has to वो तो होना ही चाहिए. Without that, it is not possible. And we are responsible. We are answerable to someone in our company. So we need to prepare some plan against this investment. Post that, if we come with a conclusion saying that yes, we want to make this investment, definitely we'll do. And at present, 90% answer is yes. To be honest with you, but yes, as it is owned by Kirloskar Group companies, we are answerable. I'm reporting to Ganesh, so he's with me. So I need to draw. To be honest with you, from our end, either me, I'll be attending these sessions, and if due to some appointments, if I'm not in position to attend, then probably Akshat or Ganesh, or we have a team member, so that's not a problem for us. And we'll see that, sir. We'll come back to you.
कौन से ग्रुप का है, नहीं कौन, who is the promoter, means कौन से किर्लोस्कर है, निरंजन किर्लोस्कर साहब है या कौन से किर्लोस्कर?
नहीं, this is
so this is actually 100% owned by Kirloskar family, but the major stakeholder is Nihal Kulkarni.
Okay.
And she is from the other part, not from the Niranjan Kulkarni. Not even the Sanjay Kirloskar, Atul Kirloskar, and others. That is.
Okay.
It is oil engines.
It is not KOEL. It is not KPCL. It is not
KOEL. It is KOEL.
It is KOEL.
Okay. Not Fritgard, not KPCL.
No, not Fritgard.
So I was actually, so definitely we'll take this separately. So I was connected with Kirloskar. I was a supplier to KOEL and KPCL and Fritgard. I was also a supplier to Hawkins Subramaniam sir. I used to connect with Abhijit there, purchase. Yeah. So great. So now
any other question that you have? We'll wind up. Sorry.
Yeah. मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा ब्रीफ करना है कमर्शियल्स के बारे में अभी।
अब कमर्शियल मैंने वैसे ऑलरेडी कर रखा है। So the annual subscription is 30,000 rupees plus GST, and we're giving that as a special offer at 15,000 rupees. So at least for this month, it is valid. Next month there will be a different price. Then we'll take it from there.
And core members are currently those who are core member like मिथिलेश जी हैं या राजेश जी हैं, हम हैं, ये हम लोगों का रोल चेंजिंग वाला है. So it keeps rotating after 3 months. Okay. So one fine day you can be at a place of Mithilesh ji or Mr. Rajesh ji and handling the entire forum and managing the entire show. So these roles are rotating, and there is a hell lot of scope. So once I'll tell you how it works, and that's something which ऐसा करके बताना चाहिए. So when you handle a chair, any chair, so automatically entire group is very much focused towards you, and you get a definitely better mileage or better results out of it, right? So that is something which is a hidden secret which I can tell you, Atul ji. So you can be a part of that role also down the line. Yeah.
Yeah, so there are 5 elements that we work on. The first one is opportunities, which is the referrals that Ganesh was talking about. The second piece is challenges. I call that as distributed consulting. You just saw a demonstration today in the create session. Third piece is knowledge sharing. By virtue of it being a heterogeneous mix in terms of industries, in terms of locations, in terms of age groups as well. The exposure is also different. So all that knowledge sharing is available. The fourth element is valued contacts. So each one of us would have some valued contacts which are available to everybody in the inner circle. On top of it, we are connected to various associations and chambers. All that is also available. And the fifth element is the rewards and recognition. As Virendra just shared, this team which is managing the inner circle, this has a life of 3 months. So every 3 months we will have a new team which will come. So you get to, suppose you want to experience being the CEO of a company, you might want to become the president of the inner circle, and then you are getting trained to be the CEO for 2.5 months. Now this, if you do in a college, you would be paying for it. Here you are experiencing it yourself. So that is how. And also there are possibilities where you could be representing e-growth on other places. So speaking opportunities, those kind of things also get created. So all this is available to you. Inner Circle has a meeting every Friday morning, 7:30 to 9:30. We've already exceeded the time. And so that is a part of this fee structure which I shared with you. Right, and we are co-creating it. As of now, we are very chaotic. I personally am chaotic, so it is chaotic. The moment somebody who's more structured will come in, it will become structured. So I'm just wishing that one day SVS son, he becomes the president, then everything will be structured by the minutes. You are either there or you are not there. No leakages from the oil, from the machines. Right, sir?
So it is valid for 1 year, am I right? Membership
yes,
valid
1 year. Yeah.
Fine, sir.
Yeah. So now we'll go back to the main session, and let's be in touch. Right? So we'll just leave the room and we'll be in the main room, and then we'll split in another 5-7 minutes.
सुविधा से कम्युनिकेशन तो 100% है. कल जैसे ही यहाँ आए तो यहाँ ब्रॉडबैंड नहीं था, बस तुरंत अपने कलीग को हमने फोन किया, बस पूरे बंदे पूरी टीम आ गई, पूरा बढ़िया से ब्रॉडबैंड वगैरह लगा दिया. तो आज आपसे बढ़िया से बात कर रहे हैं. नहीं तो रियली नेटवर्क की
क्या बात है सर.
वेलकम
रविंद्र सर को नेटवर्क का पूरी इंडिया में कहीं तकलीफ हो नहीं सकता.
जहाँ पे रविंद्र जी खड़े हो जाते हैं, नेटवर्क वहाँ पे खड़ा हो जाता है. तो दिस वाज एन फाइन एग्जांपल कि कैसे उन्होंने नेटवर्क वहाँ पे खड़ा कर दिया है.
इतने सालों तक सबके लिए नेटवर्क खड़ा करते रहे ना, ट्राई।
So welcome back all. So हम आपका ही वेट कर रहे थे. So we just prolonging our discussions. So hope all of you have made your mind, and next time so we will see you. Yeah. So what was the feedback? Overall feedback, Atul ji, if you can just sum it up, or Virender ji.
Okay.
Virender ji.
Okay. So we have 3 people from same company, Akshat ji, Niranjan, and Indrajit ji, if I'm not wrong, right?
No, Indrajit.
Sorry.
No.
Ganesh.
Yeah. So
Ganesh is the big boss. आप नाम भूल गए तो पैसे नहीं आएंगे.
Did join actually. So they are very much positive, and they are because it's a corporate account, so they have to take a different permission and project it rightly, and they'll get back to us. But individually they are very much positive about it. Subramaniam sir needs some more time to think over, and he'll also get back to us.
Thank you. That will be great.
As a product, as a concept, he liked it, but he needs more time.
And I would like to share one thing which I have not yet shared. So SVS San, he introduced me to a gentleman named Martin, who is a British citizen and is right now in Thailand. He was to join us today, but he had some visa issues, and that is why he's there in Bangkok right now. So he did not join today. From next week, he will be joining Inner Circle as a regular member, definitely.
Oh, that's a wonderful.
Thank you, SVS San. So he will be the second second person who will be outside of India who will be there in Inner Circle.
There will be another third person, Mr. Nielsen from Bangkok as well.
Okay.
Who is in the gaming solutions.
Fantastic.
So he will be the third member to join.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Great.
So Virender ji, आप देख रहे हो SVS San कितना कुछ तैयार करके बैठे हुए हैं.
तो सुब्रमण्यम सर, कैसा लगा ओवरऑल ये इनर सर्कल की मीटिंग? आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा?
नहीं, ओवरऑल अच्छा लगा, बट मुझे एक डाउट था कि ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए ये फोरम ठीक होगा क्या नहीं, क्योंकि माय फील्ड इज एन एंटायरली डिफरेंट वन, लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑनलाइन एंड ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. तो मुझे इसके बारे में जरा सोचना है.
सुब्रमण्यम जी, एक चीज मैं आपको बता दूं. So when you are focusing, don't focus on us, that so we can be a source of your business. We can be source of getting you introduced to our जो हमारा जो clients है, so जो हमारे contact sphere है, जो हमारा contact sphere है, so every one of us is having an good contact sphere, and वहाँ पे introduction, वहाँ पे आप सोच लीजिए, will they be able to do that? So, and that is what I just told Akshat also, that while you join, think about introducing your contact sphere to us. So that is the give. तो यहाँ पे हर टाइम हम ये कहते हैं, so if you are willing to give, then only join. So the same thing. So I might not be important. So maybe so जो आप training कर रहे हैं, so that might not. So I might not be your direct client. But maybe when I hear you, I can have 10 different people. So who can be your clients? Always don't look at the people who are here. So look at the contact sphere they have when you try to pitch. Yeah, that is what I'm just trying to tell. Yes.
और इनफैक्ट एक चीज है ना, यहाँ सर बिजनेसमैन है, यहाँ पे सीखना ये है, जैसे अभी आपने बिजनेस शुरू किया, चाहे वो ट्रेनिंग की है, लेकिन ट्रेनिंग आपका डोमेन है, बिजनेस है वो आपका. यहाँ पर ये सीखना है कि हमको बिजनेस कैसे करना है. ये नहीं सीखना है कि यहाँ पर हमें किसी भी आज सामने वाले को हम सर सेल नहीं करते हैं. हम सिर्फ सीखते हैं कि अगर मुझे आगे अपना क्लाइंट बढ़ाना तो कैसे इन्होंने दूसरे ने किया, वो सीखना है. ये प्लेटफॉर्म है, बिजनेसमैन का प्लेटफॉर्म, और सब कोई बहुत बड़े बिजनेसमैन नहीं है, सब एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं. जो अतुल जी ने बोला है, बड़े बड़े रिलायंस और टाटा को तो इतने सारे लोग कंसल्टेंट मिलते हैं. यहाँ पर आपको बिना एडिशनल कुछ किए बिजनेस के प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉर्ट आउट किया जा सकता है, क्या क्या आइडियाज आ सकते हैं, उसके लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म बढ़िया है.
सुब्रमण्यम जी, We are also making now foray into the education and training and development. So request you to share your the profile by providing the link in the chat box. So then we can get with you one-to-one.
Yeah. So that will be good idea. So you can have an one-to-one. So we can have an one-to-one. But then, so that is if Atul Puri permits.
And Subramaniam ji he is already a basic subscriber. So he paid up day for yesterday. So he's already an e-growth subscriber. He has to consider to upgrade to inner circle, that he'll take a call. But even otherwise, yeah.
He can go ahead with that one-to-ones with that numbers.
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely. Yeah.
Good. So that will be a good thing.
और अतुल जी ट्रेनिंग का पूरा जो एक ना मॉड्यूल बना रहे हैं जिसमें कि डिफरेंट ट्रेनर जो है ढेर सारे लोगों को ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, तो उसमें हो सकता है कि जो फिर आपकी जो है ना जब ये पब्लिक को कर रहे होंगे, पिच कर रहे होंगे, 200-400 लोग आते हैं, तो उस वक्त वो प्लेटफॉर्म आपको मिल जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली। ऑलरेडी अतुल जी इस पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो मे भी बहुत जल्दी वो जो है।
देखिए जी, हमारा काम है सो ग्रोथ ऑफ इनर सर्कल। हम ये जानते हैं व्हेन इट ग्रोज, सो माय ग्रोथ लाइज इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ इनर सर्कल. So that is our stress point, that we should have good people around us, and that is the only way we can just generate good business. So that is, और हमारा कोई ये है, so that is our sole wish, that we see its growth, and with that growth we'll see our growth.
Absolutely.
Subramaniam ji, if you have to refer your name to other people, can you tell me what is the USP of your company you're delivering?
So, I
Vijay ji, आप one-to-one
one-to-one.
Yes, you will have एक नहीं 10 आपको उनसे मिलेंगे. So we have heard him. He is a person of very good experience. उनका जो past है, so it is full of varied experiences. So we'll get to know a lot of things from Subramaniam.
Great. I have shared my contact details in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, great.
और इंडस्ट्री पे काम करने के बाद ना ये एक्सपीरियंस सबके काम आने वाला है, रियल एक्सपीरियंस होता है, वो बुकिश नॉलेज नहीं है। तो जो आदमी इस लेवल पे लगातार एक नहीं कई कंपनियों को, जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां उसको इस लेवल पे इन्होंने ऊपर पहुंचाया है,
right from the workshop level. So I could understand that hand holding people right from the workshop, that is a very rich experience. Now people can just talk about from bookish knowledge. He has done a practically उन्होंने hand hold करा हुआ है people, and that is a very rich experience. So we can just leverage on that.
Actually शुरुआत में हम लोगों ने सुना,
हम सब ने attention से आपको hear किया हुआ है, and we know that what you are capable of doing. Yes.
You see, I don't believe in AC, BC, CC. You know, AC means sitting inside an air-conditioned room in front of a PC and sending CCs. So this is how a job is done. I don't believe in that.
Good one.
बहुत बढ़िया पंचलाइन।
AC दूसरा क्या था?
AC, PCCC.
PCCC. Okay. Oh, that's a good one.
An air-conditioned room in front of a PC and sending CCs. No.
Right then, Mithilesh, your last word, and before we wind it off, and we thank everyone. So such a wonderful session. मतलब आज जैसे मैंने कहा, आहूजा जी को मैंने last moment पे request करी है. So otherwise, so we have presentations and all that. People who have to do it, so they have to get their presentation vetted by one of our members, and उसके बाद. But then, so this was a different kind of situation. Yes, Mithilesh जी.
बहुत शानदार कोशिश राजेश जी आपकी रही कि ये जो है ना क्रिएट सेशन एकदम इमीडिएटली शाम को जितनी आपने कल मेहनत की है ना वो हम देख रहे थे। तो इस किस्म की चीजें, ये मेहनत जो है ना अंत में काम आएगी। और अतुल जी आप बताएं सर, क्या लास्ट?
अतुल जी देख रहे होते हमको कि जी कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे होते जी, मैं नहीं जाता बीच में,
प्रिंसिपल
करने तो जी सारा मेरे को देख रहा था मैं इनको।
तो मेरा ना आज के लिए लास्ट रिमार्क्स कुछ ऐसे रहेंगे कि आई कैन डेफिनेटली सी दैट द लेवल ऑफ ट्रस्ट हैज गॉन मेनी नॉचेस अहेड। आज जब जीएस आहूजा जी ने बात की ना, और अमित चावला जी ने बोला कि he is able to say this only because he has that kind of trust. Otherwise एक ऐसा बंदा जो नॉर्मली शेल में घुस जाता है, वो शेल से बाहर केवल ऐसी जगह पर आता है जहां पर कि उसको ट्रस्ट है कि सामने वाले उसे मार नहीं देंगे. I mean, imagine a tortoise. The moment he sees that there is some prey, threat around, he will be inside the shell. So for GS Ahuja ji, I'm sure it has taken him a lot of effort to come out of that shell, and coming out of that shell is a contribution of each one of you. So that, I think, is an applause for each one of us. Thank you.
I would like to add one thing.
Anji, please. Yeah.
थोड़ा सर्फ एक्सेल की जाहिरात देखो, एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखो, ठीक है. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स पे कुछ ऐसे दाग है जो मैंने बताए, लेकिन वो दाग अच्छे हैं अगर अपनों को नजदीक लाए.
गुड है, बहुत बढ़िया, सही है सर, करते हैं. और
कन्वर्ट दैट थ्रेट इनटू अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड जीएस आहूजा एज अ ब्रांड बन जाए. ऐसा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है कि जो अपनों को नजदीक लाता है.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट.
एमएसएमई को ऐसा एक कंफर्ट आना चाहिए कि जीएस आहूजा बोले तो एमएसएमई का मसीहा है.
थैंक यू.
मसीहा बनना है जी आपको आहूजा जी.
बहुत शानदार सर, बहुत बड़ा एक्सपेक्टेशन जो है ना.
हाँ, एक चीज मैं और रिकमेंड करना चाहूंगा. एसवीएस सन, you should definitely get in touch with Shripad Kulkarni Sahab. He is the president of BBN Global, which is Brahmin Business Network Global. So he founded that organization, which is bringing Brahmin businesses together. Second, he is the vice president of NEMA, which is Nasik Industries and Manufacturers Association. Okay. Third is he himself runs 4 companies, means he and his son. Now his son is running it. One is into sheet metal components, one is into abrasives, one is into paints, and fourth किस में है सर? उसमें HVAC में है, HVAC consulting and EPC contracting. All right. So he is like an ideal client for your kind of training. So please speak to him.
He is a big giver.
Great giver.
Huge giver. Yes.
Giver. He is an सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी है. He is the biggest giver.
Always in giver mode.
Giver mode में रहते हैं ये.
Noted.
Very lucky to have Shripad ji with us. तभी जब ये थोड़ा सा लेट भी आते हैं, कभी मैं चूं भी नहीं करता हूँ.
मैं चूं नहीं करता हूँ, पूरी कटार घुसा देता हूँ. अच्छा.
अगले सप्ताह के लिए फिर जो है तैयारी करें कि
चलो सर, आई विल टेक लीव.
Thank you to all.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye Rajiv. Bye.
Bye Shripad ji.
Wadhwani ji. Bye.
Bye sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you everybody.